Hello. Today we're going to be making a meat dish. We're going to be making soy and ginger marinated New York steak. Now, you can substitute a New York steak with a round steak or a ribeye, whatever you like. And we're also going to be broiling it today. But if you would like to take this outside and grill it, that's fine. Depending on how thick the steak is, that's going to determine how long you need to marinate it for. We have a fairly thin piece of steak today, so we're only going to marinate it for about a half an hour. But if you get into the thicker steaks, like a ribeye, then you're going to want to take at least about an hour to do that. It's going to be marinated in beer, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, hot sauce, maple syrup, and we're going to salt and pepper the steak. We're also going to be making roasted new potatoes. We're going to take some of the smaller red potatoes and leave the skin on. We're going to dice them up. Then we're going to mix them with salt, pepper, and different herbs, thyme, garlic, basil, oregano. We're also going to be making French peas, which are peas cooked in lettuce. They're actually steamed, so you're going to want to use frozen peas. And we're going to mix that with rosemary and flour and butter.